Hello everyone, and welcome to the first video of Introduction to Leathercraft. Today we will talk about different kinds of leather, how to use them and how to recognize their quality. In my videos we will be mostly working with grain cowhide. This one is called belting leather. It has the highest quality, thickness and resistance. It can be used to create belts, harnesses, cases and many more products which has to endure a high burden. Belting leather can come in many different thicknesses, so it can be used to create layered products like wallets. With few adjustments during the tanning, it can get softer and more yielding. You wanna sew a bag inside out or create a simple book cover? This leather is then for you. Split leather is where the top layer of the cowhide was removed. It's really soft and not so much durable. Good for making purses, pouches and small costume accessories. Quality of leather is the most important thing. If you have access to any leather supplier, go there and pick the right leather by your own. It's gonna be worth it. There are tons of defects which can leather have. Holes, cuts, wrinkles, those are the most easy to spot. Then you have to take care about consistency. If you are going to make a belt, you don't want your leather to be all squashy. It makes the working process really uncomfortable and the final product just won't look right. Also, don't forget to wash your hands whenever going to work with leather. Other side, you can ruin it before you even start working. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode. You are all welcome to visit my Facebook page, JK Leathercraft, and my Patreon. The links can be found in the top of the description. See you soon.